Well, we've made it to Bristol, and the first stop is the SS Great Britain. The SS Great Britain was designed by Isambard Kingdom Brunel and launched in 1843. Until 1854 she was the longest passenger ship in the world and was the first iron steamer to cross the Atlantic Ocean, which she did in 1845 in a time of 14 days. By combining size, power and innovative technology, Brunel had created a ship that changed history. His vision for the SS Great Britain made her the great-great-grandmother for all modern ships. That's it. If you're in Bristol, I cannot recommend this enough. We came here for an hour, we've been here for 3. Fantastic. Right, on we go. We're going to go and try and find a Banksy. Found it, so did everybody else. So we've come along the wharf and we thought we'd visit the M Shed today because there is Wildlife Photography Natural History Museum, and there's a picture in here from my cousin Pete, so we thought we'd come and see it. that's it for the night. We've had a great day, seen a lot of interesting things, but we're very, very tired now. It's been very, very hot, around about the 22 degrees mark. So we are going to chill for an hour, and then we're going to go to the pub over the road for a beer and a burger, and then maybe have an early night, because we've got to do all of this again tomorrow. Good night.